and yet feel constrained, even now that Don't Ask, Don't Tell is gone, because they're not able to commit themselves in a marriage. At a certain point, I've just concluded that for me personally, it is important for me to go ahead and affirm that I think same-sex couples should be able to get married.
Últimos días.
The end of the world is here.
Fin del mundo ha llegado.
Get ready.
Prepárese.
Jesus is coming soon.
Jesús viene pronto.
Shut up.
Cállese.
Tsunami.
Tsunami.
200,000 dead.
200,000 muertos.
Get ready.
Prepárese.
Signs of the times.
Señales de los
He's
tiempos.
coming soon.
Viene pronto.
Pack your bags.
Ya viene.
He's coming. He's
Viene.
coming. Stop
Viene.
lying to the people.
Deje de mentirle al pueblo.
Like this. Here's a statement. Jesus never preached, you must be born again. He never preached that.
And I don't want the saints to be at a place where we spend all of our time rebuking devils and
When
demons.
the Pope died, I was the only preacher invited the day before the massive service. I was invited to attend the private service inside St. Peter's Basilica.
So, now there's no telling what they're going to sing next. Hello?
Popular televangelist Benny Hinn joins us shortly. You may not know that Hinn has fond recollections of Pope John Paul. Benny Hinn live from Rome in 6 minutes. Let's head live to Vatican City and televangelist Benny Hinn. Benny, will you be in the special mass tomorrow in the funeral service at all?
No, ma'am. I was invited to attend the special memorial service that was held this morning, but I will not be in the special service tomorrow. I'll be here. But I'm just so glad I came for this morning's meeting, just to honor the memory of this great Pope that has really touched my life as well as millions.
I was the only preacher there.